Welcome to the next video lecture. So let's move on to the next topic in the Python programming, Python Fundamentals 5, Dictionaries and Sets. What is a dictionary in Python? A dictionary is an unordered, mutable collection that stores data in key value pairs. For example, student is a dictionary which consists of the key value pairs like name Amit, age 21, course Python. So if I am printing any particular name of any particular key of the dictionary student means it will print the output. For example, if I am printing student of name, then it will display the output as Amit. So keys must be unique. These are the keys and these are the values, and these keys must be unique and immutable like strings, numbers, etc. And values can be anything. Strings, numbers, list, or even other dictionaries. We can use other dictionary as value here. So some of the common dictionary methods we are using are student.getOf, age, it will display the age, and student.keys, it written all the keys inside the dictionary, particular mentioned dictionary, and student.values written all the values in the mentioned dictionary, and student.items written all the key value pairs inside the dictionary. And if I want to add a new key value pair means I can give student of grade, the new key name and the value of that particular key. So it will add a new key value pair to the existing dictionary. What is a set in Python? A set is an unordered collection of unique elements. For example, if I am having a set as numbers, so which consists of 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 2. So here 2 and 4, there are duplicates of 2 and 4 found. But if I am printing numbers, printing the set, it will give you the output as 1, 2, 3, 4. It will remove the duplicates. There will be no duplicates present in the set. So set remove duplicates automatically. It is useful for membership checks, uniqueness, and to perform set operations. For example, union, intersection, like that. So based on this concept, we are going to build a real life project, contact book using dictionary. So I'm going to build a CLI based contact book. CLI is nothing but command line interface based contact book where user can add new contacts, view all contacts, search the contact by name, and delete a contact So let us move on to the Google Colab. So here I am going to build a Python code for a contact book, building a contact book. So I am initializing a new dictionary, contact. So while true, I am going to print add contact, view all, search for a contact, and then delete a contact, and then exit. So I'm going to get a choice. Choice is equal to input of, enter the choice. So if choice is equal to 1, then I'm going to get the name. Name and phone. going to save in the dictionary. And then I'm going to print contacts saved. So if I'm getting a choice as 2, choice equal to 2, then I'm going to view all. So for name, phone in contacts dot items, print of name and phone number. And elif choice equal to 3, I'm going to search. So I'm getting the name equal to input of enter name to search. If name in contacts I'm going to print names phone names phone is contacts of name. So it will give you the phone number. Or else I'll print contact not found. So next choice is elif choice is equal to 4. So for deletion, so I'm going to get the name to delete, input of enter name to delete. And if name in contacts del contacts of name. And print deleted successfully. Deleted successfully. Or else, if name is not in contact, I have to print no such contact exists. So now I'm going to get the next choice equal to 5, which is the exit. So I'm just giving a break. Else if any of the choice is not given, then you have to print invalid choice. Yes. So let me run the program. It will ask you to enter your choice. I'm going to add choice 1. So I'm going to give my name and it'll ask you the phone number, so I'm giving any number. So there's an error here, phone. So I'm executing again. So it'll ask you for the choice, so I'm giving 1. It'll ask you for the name, I'm giving my name. It'll ask you for the number, I'm giving any number. So it is showing contact saved. So I'm adding another contact. I'm giving another name. I'm giving another random number. So again the contacts are saved. I'm going to view the contact. So I'm giving 2. So here it is displaying you the contacts already stored. I'm going to search. So I'm searching for John. It will ask you the name to search. So I'm searching for John. So it will give you the John's phone number. And then I'm going to delete a contact now. So it will ask you for the name to delete. So I'm giving my name. Well, it is displaying no such contact exists. It is because I'm giving capital S here, but while deleting I'm giving small s. So I'm giving I have to choose again the choice 4, and then I'm giving the right name in the contact. Yes, now it is showing deleted successfully. So I'm going to exit the program. Yes, it is done. So I have successfully created a contact book using Python code, using the concept of dictionary. So that's all about this video lecture. So let us continue the next concept. Let us see the next topic in the Python programming in our next video. Thank you for watching the video.